Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to go live on Facebook. So first of all, you go to your Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. At the top right, you'll be given three icons: the plus icon, the search icon, and the messaging icon. Here you click on the first icon that looks like a plus sign, and then you click on live. After that, you click on go live, and then you'll be live on Facebook. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.